Good afternoon and welcome to the Canary Islands, to Tenerife. And this is a beautiful place. You can see the water coming across like a waterfall. You can see the water splashing into the basically lava rocks, because there is an active volcano here. This is a giant island, and it is an absolute beautiful, beautiful place. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful place. That's as nice as it gets. Talk about scenic. This is like a Gatlinburg, if you will. They have all kinds of shops and restaurants, but it's Gatlinburg in the Mediterranean, if you will. Gatlinburg of the Canary Islands. You see a giant crane. Look at that right there. Sitting on the water. Standing on a rock. Very cool. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is just a beautiful place. Look at how clear it is. You know, they say icebergs have more underground than they do above ground. But look right here. Look at this rock. You can see the reddish algae. But if you look straight down through the clear, clear water, you can see how much is underneath it. Here comes another big boy. Let's see what we got here. Wow. It's beautiful. I've been in the North Pacific several times, and the rock formations in Oregon and Washington State are amazing, but they're nothing like it is here. Look at this water. It is getting really, really rough. Here comes the last one. I'm going to leave after this one. Right. coming in fast and furious now. That is for sure. I could just sit and watch these waves for hours. It is amazing. So, they hit, and they hit, and they hit. First of all, this area, you're not supposed to probably walk out this far, but I want to see the spray of the water walking. It's amazing right here. Look at this spray. Look at the waves coming in. And watch when they hit. It's almost up close and personal like Hawaii, but these waves are more powerful. That one almost got me right there. It's where you don't want to be on the other side of these rocks, so I can tell you that right now. Let's see if we can get another splash here coming in. There's one right there. Here comes a wave right here. Let's see when it hits. Whoa! That one just about got me. Anyhow, there's one going right there. That is beautiful, beautiful. Coming to you from the Canary Islands, from Tenerife Canary Islands. The biggest Canary Island here. Man, it's magnificent. You got the surfers. Through here, walk across this right here. This is a beautiful resort town here. I'm not going to even try to pronounce it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful resort town. I just saw a surfer a minute ago coming in on a highway. Let me put that up a little higher. This is a black sand beach right here. See, it's very hot here all the time, so you see the cactus. But it's a black sand beach. See if we can go. There's a snorkeler out there, right out there. The water's a little bit choppy. It's really a little bit wavy. But you can see the snorkeler out there, snorkeling. But you can see the black sand caused by the volcanoes. They have one really big volcano. My tour guide was telling me that it's active but dormant. And he said they don't want it to come undormant or alive. Got the red flag going. Most of the time in the United States, that means danger. See if we can get another picture of a surfer right here. He's waiting for the surf. I think he missed it. He's waiting for a surf. Wave. There's the lifeguard right there. And catch a wave here. There's two surfers out there, one snorkeler. Here's a big wave. Look at this one coming in. Looks like the surfers are going to take this one. Let's see. They're missing out on some of those. You can see the surfers out there, and you can see the waves crashing right there. So here comes some surfers right there coming in. Here's some surfers. This guy. There's a surfer right there. Boom. I'm coming to you from the Canary Islands here in Tenerife, and this is the beach here, and you can see the red flag up here. Look at the waves crashing in. You see surfers out there right there. So till then, subscribe to my channel. You all have a good day.